Hello mga kababayan kong Pinoy. This time we're sailing, not flying. We're going to Amsterdam. This is our room, has been upgraded by one of my friend who works here. And with big toilets and a very nice room. Come on, daling ko kayo sa itaas naman para makita nyo. With champagne, yes. Akyat tayo sa itaas to the balcony. This is the lobby. And we have here. We're leaving now. And that's the big boat going for Norway. 7 days travel. And this is, my rainbow. And that's the priory. And we are heading off now to the Netherlands for an overnight. Buffet style. It's really worth it. Pagka na-try mo, ang sarap. Mostly our Filipino cook. And we're going now to the duty free. And there you go. Hindi ko na pinakita yung gabi kasi nag-inuman lang kami sa loob. So it was raining all night. So this is, I woke up 5:30 in the morning just to get the best shot of the sunrise. Come on, I'll take you to the tour. So yan, very calm, not windy, pero malamig siya. Come on, let's go upstairs while it's still quiet. And this is the sky bar. We're supposed to be here last night, but it was raining. So we've just decided to go to the bar. Yeah. This is I think that's already the Netherlands over there. Yeah. So, medyo umaambon. May mga pool of water. So, ayan. Basta na yung sapatos ko. Umikot lang ako sa barko. Come on, let's go inside. I'll show you the rest of the facilities here. Ito, meron ditong massage chair. We went last night for 2 euros for 5 minutes. It's quite expensive, isn't it? Mga games, slot machine. But I'm not into this kind of thing, so... And then the end of that is the casino and the bar. And we are now arriving in Amsterdam. That's the city center now. And here we go. We're crossing the road, going to the city center. What fascinates me every time I travel in Europe are the historical buildings. I'm into history and I love history. It always fascinates me in these modern years na makakita pa ng mga old structures. Well, actually, some of them are built during the 1600s. And it's really amazing how they preserve their structures at the heart of the city. There's a tram, there's a canal tour. And look at all these houses. Some of them are 1800, 1700, well-preserved, tiny houses, pero it must be the kind of living before. Each house has got a pulley, so mga things nyo na heavy, dahil hindi magkakasya sa pinto, sa bintana, tinatawag. They preserve the tram, they have a bicycle lane, and at the end of this road, is the palace of the king and queen. There you go. I don't know if they still live in that palace. Surrounded by churches, old buildings, wherever you go, every corners, and the famous cheese of the Netherlands. Ayan mga kaibigan ko, medyo mahal. That old structure is already a shop. This is the church built in 1600 something, still standing. And now we are here in the red light district. It is a must to see. for those who are travelers. Well, actually, it's my third time here in Amsterdam now. And as you can see, that's the marijuana factory, museum rather. And it's very legal in this country. There you go.
Stuff needed with knowledge about
They're looking
cannabis.
actually for assistance. And there are lots of sex shop, sex toy shop, and cannabis ice cream, would you believe? But I've never tried. I'm not into this kind of thing. Yeah. These are the red light. This is the red light district. Yeah. Beautiful city. Very legal. Hindi ka pakikialaman. Hindi ka mahihiyang pumasok rin. Yan. So, back again. On board. Sailing overnight back to Newcastle upon Tyne. And arriving in the morning. It's very nice overnight trip. And these are the houses of UK now. So there you go. So hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. See you. Goodbye. Have a happy Sunday.